Imagine this is a suitcase for how many nights? For 4 days and 3 nights. I feel like it's not so big though. And then I have my hand luggage. We are going to Diani, baby. I'm so excited. It's been 1 year since I was in Diani, and I feel like it's again the first time I am going. And on this video, I'm going to pack with you just the things I do pack, and maybe if you have anything that I can learn from you, please comment down below. If there's anything I'm missing out for my packing for travel, let me know. Let's do this. So hey, we are now at the time of packing. I've already slotted everything. I'll just highlight what they are and why I do that. I have this bag. This one I put my toiletries, okay, my innerwears. Let me just say that because I'll have another one for toiletries. This is for wiping my feet. This is for the bathing, and of course it comes with a shower gel. And then we have the lotion. I will not pack my own since I already had this one. I stole from a restaurant. Then I have toothpaste. I have my toothbrush over here. It's foldable, so you just, yeah. Then I have my sunscreen protector. I have this one. I have a shower cap, but this could be small, so I've carried big enough to fit my big hair. I have my head scarf for the night. For the sunscreen protector, I will use these two. I'll see which one works better. I've been using this on a daily basis, so I might decide to just continue with that one because it's working. This one, I have had it for a while, but I'll just pack them both. This one I'll not pack today because I'll use it, but I'll just throw in this one. So we are done with this. Then we have free seats. We have a trouser, we have a dera. Then here we have shorts which are knee length. Here these shorts are knee length. I have like 5. Then I have this is a trouser, I think mostly for traveling back. Then I have this will be like a kimono. It's just a flowing top. And then these two you can wear them. They're like onesie or jumpsuits. Then I have these 3 lassos in case I'm wearing a short and I want to just stay with it. So I have the lassos. Here I have my gym wear. I'm thinking of going to the gym so that I start psyching myself for the gym. Let me just show you my gym fit. So this is for wiping the sweat. These are tops. I have carried 3. Okay, these are sports bras. I've also carried 3. I've only carried 2 shorts because I'm thinking I can recycle if need be, or I can wash one when the other one I'm using the other one. Then all these are tops. Then these are 2 night wears. Then I have my towel over here. If you have been following me, you already know I carry my own towel. So we have my towel over here, and we have a hoodie in case it's cold. Sometimes you expect it will be hot, but it gets cold. And that's it for the outfit. In case I remember anything, I'll let you know. These are booty shorts. I have 3. I might add some more. Oh, and I have my swimming costume. Yeah, so I think I have everything set. So it's just putting in the suitcase. Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of Live, Learn, Adventure and Charity. And this is where we talk about finance, personal development, travel and charity. If this is your kind of content, kindly consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. I have these organizers that I use in my chest of drawers. I've decided to use one for this travel. You can see I've arranged my swimwear here. I have arranged my tops here. This is the towel for drying. This is more I have arranged my gym wear here. These are the sports bras. These are the shirts and these are the bottoms. These are the tops that I intend to carry. And these are the onesies, or I don't know whether jumpsuits. These are my sleepwear, the items I had showed you, so I've just arranged them here. This is a bit bulky, I may change it. Then I've put my swimwear here. I have my hoodie here, the bottoms, the lassos and the bottoms. I will just pack them in the suitcase. I feel like it's going to be more sane because this is now everything that I have and it will be easier for me. I'll see how it works. I don't feel like it's going to pour, so I will not have a struggle packing it in the suitcase. Yeah, so I feel like this is better. I had not finished showing you the sandals. A call came through. So I have this pair, and I have my slippers because I feel like I just want to be sure I have slippers. And then I'm going to get sport shoes for the gym, of course. So I will also need some socks, but everything else is set. So I have this container. I'm going to put my perfume here and then I'm going to fill this for sanitizer. If you have been following me, you know those are things I don't leave behind. I have brought in my sport shoes, as you can see, because most likely I might end up forgetting if I don't prepare them today. So I'm set. This one I feel like it's too bulky. I'll just remove and put it here. So I'm sure I will have to add some stuff here. So I don't think I have run out of space. These are my nightwear. And then I have this bag where I will put some of the stuff I will need that are, that are liquid, so that in case of leakage they don't spill on my clothes. This is from Miniso. I think as for packing, I'll just check what else is missing in the list. But if you ask me, I've just noted I need socks for the sport shoes, so I'll just add that to the list. If I am going to add anything else, I'll keep you posted. I have added 2 pairs of socks. You can already see I have a slot here. Like now on a normal day, this is where I put my socks, so goes in very easily. So you see, I'm sure we might also add something else, but for now we are set. So let's see how tomorrow goes. Today is Tuesday. I'm just setting up myself early enough. I don't want stress on the last day, and I'm traveling at night, so I need to have some sober time to prepare. I'm traveling in 3 days. So today is Tuesday and I'm traveling on Friday. So you can imagine, and I'm working. If I don't prepare well in advance, I'll miss out some things. So let's see how it goes. So we got a few other things that we're going to carry on this trip. This is a shirt dress. It's an easy anytime wear. I don't like it so much because it's long sleeved. And then I have these kimonos. This is one I found very good quality. Look at it, guys. The quality is really nice, very nice. And this one too, I was actually, yeah, you can see the quality is very nice. I'm sure you can't see it, and I'm sure even the camera is not doing justice, but the quality is spot on. Yeah, so I got those 3 for just wearing during our vacay. So I'm going to clean them just now, and then we have our suitcase now ready for loading. Okay, so on this side I think we are going to put the bottoms and the ones which are not in something, and I'm just going to arrange them according to the type. So there are the shorts there, then the booty shorts are here. This is also a shorter short, and then we have booty shorts there. I'm only carrying 1 jeans, so the bottoms are complete there. I can just add this top over here. Okay, then I can just put the hoodie over here. Then these ones, the hoodie and the dera there. Then the bottoms here, the towel is here, and these other lassos. And on that side I can almost say it's complete. No, we will add some. I think we are going to put the shoes here on this part. I don't know if they will fit in this bag, but I'll just see. I'm thinking, yeah, I can put them here. I'm thinking for the sportswear, instead of filling up the bag, I can wear them so that I maximize on the space. And then we have a hack. You can put some of the items inside the shoes so that you maximize on the space. Yeah, so let me see how it goes. If they fit, well and good. If they don't, I will devise. I will wear the shoes. Yeah, so that's it. So that side is done. We come to this other side. So this side we will put the tops. We had already arranged them on that side. Then the good thing with this basket, you can organizer also, you can put it on this side. Then you have toiletries here and the other bag here, and there is still more space. So also we'll just close in case we remember something we have not already packed. We will see where it goes, but for now everything is in the suitcase. Our suitcase is ready. Even if we are told to leave tomorrow, we are set. Yeah, I've decided I'm going to wear the shoes, so I've removed them from the suitcase. Then I got this shirt dress and 3 kimonos, and I'm going to add them to the suitcase. And then I have my book over here. This is for my hand luggage. I've decided to change my toothpaste to this one. So I have my sunscreen protector and just a few basic items. So this is my serum, a remise, powder, roll-on. We have foundation, lipstick. We have setting spray. We have the primer. This is a primer. Yeah, I think that's it. And I'm going to carry my notebook for my notes, and I'm also going to carry an iron box in case I need to iron, and I'm going to carry my gel to style my hairline. Yeah, I think we are set. I've just remembered my tickets were in the luggage, so I've removed them, and I have my wallet because I need my ID so that I can be able to get in. You know, you can't check in if you don't have your handbag. And then also something I added is my cleansing foam. Ganya for the evening, and I think I'm going to take some other stuff. So here is our suitcase. We are ready to go. Imagine this is a suitcase for how many nights? For 4 days and 3 nights. I feel like it's not so big though. And then I have my hand luggage. Of course, you have to have like a small bag, but this time it's smaller because the suitcase carries the most of the things. And here I only have a hoodie and a blanket because we are traveling at night. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. Kindly ensure you have your notification bell on so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. See you on our next one. Bye.